guys, so I got something really cool, and it's by Assassin's Creed, so it's extra cool because I really like Assassin's Creed. So as you can, this is 12 to 14. Look, 12 to 14. I am 10. If you guys didn't know, I am 10. Whatever. Let's just try to see it. I'm pretty sure it's still cool anyways. Let's see. This is the hood. This is the hood. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, this is the hood. Get in here. Get in here. This is actually really bad. Wait, I have an idea! My dad's shop! Ha! Come on! Now that's better. Okay. Aha. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, I'll just do that. Okay. So now I have the hoodie, the suit, the belt, and everything that. Wait. No. The weapon. The most iconic weapon in Assassin's Creed. The hidden blade. The hidden blade is very iconic to stealthily kill people with the hidden blade, hence the name. Mostly though, an assassin has 2 hidden blades. Well, sometimes. I like 2 hidden blades because they make me look cool. Now, the pirate one. I also have this one. But, well, I'll use these ones first. Get ready. Now, to recap it, overall, it's pretty good. The suit, not too bad. It's good. It's really good. But the hoodie though, needs some improvement. That's why I'm using this one. It's my dad's, but I'm using it. So yeah, the hoodie needs a couple improvement, but the suit, very good. Well, pretty good I guess. And these beautiful hidden blades, very good. So overall, it's pretty good. Well, since you guys got this far to the video, I want to say thank you. And please like and subscribe and share it to anyone you want. And just thank you. Bye guys!